Hi, this is Richa here. So, today's class, now it's class of grammar. So, let's talk started. I just share you some tricks, and by those tricks, you also can improve your English communication, and you also can define in between a little bit mistakes, which we also use often. We often use these mistakes and we thought that we are correct, but absolutely no, it's not like this. So we should know what is the difference of say and tell. Tell and say. What is the difference of tell and say? So tell, we will use about the tell when we have need to give the informations or instructions. When we have need to give information or instruction. When we also use tell, okay, and say, like you also can say, like we also use say, like suggestions, expressions, opinion, and thoughts. Say, we will use suggestion, thoughts, opinion, and expression. We will use tell when we have need to give information or instruction. Okay, when we have need to give information and instruction, when we will use tell. But when we have need to suggest to someone opinion, or you can say expressions or thoughts, so we will use say. Say. I just give example. I told you many times. I told you many times. I told you many times that when we have need to tell to someone about the routine, so definitely we will use present indefinite. So what I said that I told you. I already, what can I say? I already informed to you. I gave to you instructions. This is the instructions. I can say this is the instruction that I already told, that when we have need, when we tell to someone about the routine, about habit, so definitely we will use always present indefinite. This is the information. I am providing two informations. So what I just use, I told you that you will use always present indefinite for when you have need to tell to someone about your routine, about your schedule. So I told you, I informed you, okay. And about the say, I suggest you, I suggest you, okay. I suggest you that you have to do one thing, you have to do one work, you have to do all practice. It's up to you that you want to do or not. But I suggest you, it's my responsibility. So I said you, you have to do one work, okay. I say that it is really amazing class. This is my thought. It's class really amazing. So it is a kind of thought. Now come to the point, opinion. I said you already if you will focus on the studies, definitely you will pass out. Okay, this is the opinion. That's my opinion, that if you will continue the studies, so definitely you will pass out. Otherwise, you know very well what will happen. This is the opinion by my sides. Okay, now we will talk about speak. So now you got it, what is the difference in between tell and say. Tell and say. Say and tell. Tell we will use only information and instruction, and say we will always use opinion, thoughts, expression and suggestions. Okay, now it's clear. Now we will talk about speak and talk. Speak, suppose when we translate in any language, into another language, and or we can say when we deliver our speech on the stage, at the time what we are doing or what we do, we are delivering a message, means we are speaking on that particular topic, on that about Jhansi ki Rani Lakshmibai, about books, about Independence Day, about Republic Day. So we need to deliver a speech that time when we on the stage, that time we are speaking. Okay, I just give you another example, that suppose you know very well about anything but you don't speak. So I just said that if you know very well, if you knew about it, why did you not speak that time? Why did you not speak that time? You have really very golden opportunity, and why did you not use it? Why did you not speak? At least you also can speak even single words. This is a speak. This is the single sider, means you also can speak by yourself, by only there is no any connection second person, there is no any connection with the another person. Now come to the point of talk. Talk we will always in between two or three persons. That I just give example. I talk you, like I had conversation. You can say I had conversation, and I had talk last night with my friends on the WhatsApp call. Okay, this is the talk. I had talked to my friends. Okay, I just gonna you can say we will use talk. So we will use both sides, formal or informal. There is no any purpose that we also cannot use as a formal way or informal way. It depends on the situations. We will use both sides, formal or informal, or you can say conversations. Okay. Oh yeah. So talk. Like I had talked yesterday with my friends. I talk you. I'll talk you. Okay. I'll talk you means मैं बात करूँगी you only one person से I'll talk you. ठीक है. और speak like I already mentioned that when we refer any language, so that time we prefer speak, not a talk, not say, not chat. So it is a really little bit difference, but a lot of people mistakes in between time. So please just try to understand how to use it. I already mentioned tell. We will use only and only for tell when you have need to instructions or informations. Speak, it is also one-sider. It is a one-sider when you have need to deliver your speech and you are on the stage at the time you translate your speech, or you also can say that it is a professionally. Everyone listening to you, but everyone cannot contract with you. Are you getting my point? That means it's really compulsory for you that you have to deliver your message on the stage. At that time, you have need to speak. Okay, this is a speak of usations. And about say that whenever when we talk about the suggestions, opinion, thoughts, expressions. So definitely we will use always say and talk. In between two or three people, we will use talk. We have talked to each other. Richa and I can say Anuj is my brother. So my brother and I had talked to each other before couple of days. Okay, so we both had talked to each other. We both had fun to each other. Okay, so we both. So we can use of talk both sides, formal way or informal way. Depend on the situations. Please just try to concentrations on the situations. According to the situations, you can use talk. Okay. Thank you so much and have a great good day. I hope you are getting. If you are not getting, so please just try to mention mention in the chat box and you can tell me. Okay. So till then, bye. Have a great good day.